Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this low chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out around the face. We're just going to section off the crown area and tie this into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. Next, take some spray wax. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And just apply that to that section and then pinch and pull to create a bit of texture. Clip that ponytail out of the way for now, and we're just going to divide the remaining hair into a right and left section, and again secure these with clips. Now I've cut up a hair donut and I've just shaped it into a small round shape which I'm going to put on that parting, and I'm just going to secure it all the way around the outside using a few bobby pins. Release that ponytail and pop a clear elastic band about 3 inches from the bottom, making sure that you don't pull it all the way through on the last turn of that elastic band, so you're creating a small loop. And then all we're simply going to do is push that loop up and underneath the padding at the bottom, spreading the hair out as we go. Now just push the top of that ponytail down towards the padding and secure it with a few bobby pins. And then also secure the hair on the left and right hand side. Remove your clips, and we're going to divide this section on the right in half, and we're going to take the hair closest to the donut and we're going to drape it up and over to the top left hand side using our fingers to spread out the hair so it covers the padding, and then just secure it with a bobby pin or two. We're going to apply some more of that wax spray, and again we're going to pinch and pull to create a bit more texture. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side, so take half the hair, drape it over to the top right hand side and secure with a bobby pin. And we're just going to secure the hair at the left and right hand side using a few bobby pins. Next, apply your spray and pinch and pull again to create more texture. And just wrap those ends around your fingers and push them towards the head and secure them down with a couple of bobby pins. So taking the remaining hair on the right hand side, I'm just going to drape it over to the opposite side and give it a little twist. And just anchor it down to the top right hand side of the bun using a bobby pin. And then secure the side with as many bobby pins as needed. Apply a bit more spray to this section and pinch and pull so it matches the rest of the hair. Again, we're just going to wrap the ends around our fingers and pin them to the head with a bobby pin or two. And then we're just going to repeat this on the opposite side. So take the remaining hair and we're going to drape it over to the right, but I've got a little topsy tail tool which I'm just going to tuck behind the previous section. Again, I'll link this in the description. Pass the hair through the loop and pull it all the way through. And just secure the top of that with a couple of bobby pins. Apply your spray and pinch and pull at that section. And then lastly, wrap the ends around your fingers and just tuck them up underneath so you can't see them. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.